Vlogs, and today we are going to be seeing how far a shotgun cam can make it in Endless. Nothing else except Shotgun and Titan, Santa TV. So let's do this. Alright, so I wonder if Shotgun Cam's good, because that DPS is gonna have to say pretty bad for Mythic. And even some legendaries are better. Like Sinister Cam. That is 10,000 more DPS. Let's see if he can even auto skip. Well, he's actually doing quite good. No cap. Wait, I thought he had a 1 second cooldown. This is like shooting it. Like, bro, how does he do that? That's unbelievable. Okay. Imagine if we had like the announcer cam, then he would be good to go. Yay, now he's boosted up a little bit. When does he get that like sheriff patch right here? I want to know. I need to know. But my estimate this guy making it is like wave 20. No cap. Because there's so much enemies. Toilets on wave 30, that he ain't gonna make it. Sorry, but you weren't making it. Nice, 1,000 per shot. Doesn't he like it dual shotguns? Yeah, he does. So, well, I'm gonna say it's an actual pretty decent mythic. First of all, it's really cheap to upgrade. Second of all, it is that rare to get, because I also spent like 2,000 coins trying to get this, and it works. So, yeah, I think maybe like if you have 3,000 coins and a luck disc, you should try it. Wait, did you get the sheriff patch? Well, yeah, keep going. Alright, we're gonna need more money this round. I wanna. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's some fast APS right there. We just gotta wait for you to. Oh yeah, he has a dual shotgun. Yes, sir. Alright. No, this. Oh no, my game froze for a second. I thought I was gonna have to redo this, but luckily it didn't. Because that would have been really annoying if it did freeze. I never saw minigun toilets that took it down this fast before. That's amazing. So, to be fair, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say it does. I don't know. I'm just gonna place a whole bunch of these and hope for the best. Alright. I think the first name for these guys is gonna be what's it gonna be? Kelly? Yeah, I think it was. Okay. Well, actually, the thing, they're actually pretty decent right now. So, might make it a little further. So, let's just, do this, and hopefully we make it nice. Okay, he's almost fully upgraded. So let's do. Okay. I wonder how fast the boss toilets. Oh my god, that's fast. That's fast. We have 6 of these up here in the front lines. Can you believe that? Believe that? Wait, are these a shotgun? The one, like the cannon that was like thrown up the road from that toilet. Episode 70 or 60? I don't remember what it was. I don't know, it's doing pretty good. If only we had like a slowing unit, we could do more decent. So go down, Milton. Toilet. Yes. Oh, this is a sign of us needing repair units for these challenges. Okay. But just in case these guys stand phase 2 activities, I'm gonna put some guys right here. I feel like they're getting past, but no, it's just glasses toilets. Simple glasses toilets. We're not just getting anymore. It's been 6 minutes. This way going through. We're doing pretty good. Oh no. This is bad. Something is bad. JK. Alright. Nice. Alright, Ian, can you please stop? Yeah, he really likes disrupting my videos. I don't know why, he just does. So, let's keep doing this. They're not exactly taking them down as fast as I want right now. So, alright, the stun units are dead. The stun units are dead, so we can be nice about that. Am I right? Alright, so we just need this guy to be upgraded. Okay. Now we can just hope on our sanities that they will do something. What is this? Oh, what was that wave? Alright, we have 1 max on our second line of defense. So, that's good. Alright. Wait, wave 30 we actually might make it past wave 30, okay. Bruh, but making it past wave 30 will be hard, so let's just hope we can do that. They're just standing there waiting for the toilets to come. They haven't done any work yet. Lol. Alright, nice. No, don't get past. Okay, that's good. Now, this is concerning. No cap. Alright. Our second line of defense is fully maxed out. And our third line of defense is only gonna be 2 of these guys. Maybe we can add a little bit more if we sell our Santa TVs. But for now, we're just gonna upgrade these guys to max. This is our first time our second line of defense has been used. So amazing. Alright. Right on, bro. You can still kill the toilet. It's fine. That was concerning how far that toilet made it. But just in case he makes it to the third line of defense, we have a whole bunch of, never mind, we don't have a lot of these guys waiting. No. Bro, no. But honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't make it to wave 30. Don't want the toilet princess. They're bad. Oh no. Toilet parasites are bad. Alright, guys. Work your butts off to kill these guys. Hopefully you can. Oh no, they're doing enough damage. Ah! I'm gonna turn on autos because I'm just gonna try to make it as far as I actually can. Oh no. So it's ultimately determined that toilets can make it to wave shotgun cams can make it to wave 32. Let's go back to the lobby. Alright. Now let's roll because we still have Katana Speaker Woman. If I get another one of these, I can possibly trade for it. Oh, right. No cap. Alright. Oh, we don't have auto summon. That's very unfortunate. We only have 6 more rolls left unless we get a legendary. Still 6 or a net 5. Okay. Okay. Our luck's not looking so good right now. But we still have a lot of units, right? We can stand. So, alright. Okay. Nice. Now we can go ahead and sell every single unit. And our Sinister TV. Well, I ain't doing that. I am not doing that. I would never sell my Sinister TV only for 5,000 million gems, cause yeah. Then I can get all the DJ TVs I want. Alright, let's sell you and you. Now, confirm sell. Now we can re-equip our units. Wait, what did I equip that? Oh yeah, green laser. Okay, now let's equip Sinister. Alright, so, if you enjoyed the video, but we're not done yet, so I'm not gonna say it. Bro, stop giving us rare mythics, bro. Give us a mythic. Give us a mythic. Give us a mythic. Oh my god. I thought we had a luck boost. And we have a luck boost game pass, so. What's happening? Oh, right. We don't have anything, so we're not long. Alright, we have 2 more rolls left unless we get a legendary. Oh, this is gonna be close. Oh, okay. 1 more roll left. This is gonna be the roll that we get. This is gonna be the roll that we get. This is gonna be the roll that this. Ooh. Looks like we didn't get it, but at least we got it. So make sure to like, subscribe, and see you next time.